deal. Guess who's gonna come back? Passionate
We're at the view, guys.
Watch my chef. Famous to my bad chef, yeah? Tell us another put up my fire again. Sorry, miss, if you don't want to be in the club. But I put it back in the Attiville people and guess who come from link. And that's my bad chef. So, chef, everybody has talked about the oxtail. Now they said it was the oxtail, so we are telling them to my oxtail. Don't it? One way off on the menu, because I see all the pork around here. I eat pork, you know. My husband, I go want pork. So you're full of. So I want them to go. You have no more oxtail here?
We have spicy wings, 2 chicken, meatballs, and pig feet.
And that comes to me, get my turkey and my oxtail to get the
And we're
oxtail.
gonna eat it Tuesday or Monday.
What may I go get? I shouldn't want to do, I want to do pork. You got that pork?
We don't have no pork.
I
Pig
pork
feet
that.
are pork. This is stew chicken and this is spicy wing.
I'm going to trust it to go 99. So, I'm tired of chicken. I'm going to fly me out in a belly. And you know you can't have food, you can't go against it. Really nice. Let's look at the...
It's hot.
Oh, this is my husband.
Chẳng lý là bên nào hạt em supermarket.
We didn't stop in there the last time we come. We have some stuff. And then some water. And then we're going on the journey. Y'all want it, friends?
A small one though. What's it? Wanna eat some?
And if you have no more change, I say if you have no money, but you don't have to get some water because outside and trust me. You have that amount? Water. Hello?
Yeah,
What is the supermarket name?
every day.
Every day?
Yes,
That's the name of the supermarket?
yes.
Alright, so we're in everyday supermarket. We grab 2 water and then when we go to
Belmopan.
Belmopan. So the day is hot. And we'll grab some water. And my husband I grab some something in our hey.
Magnum!
You see here, people? This right here is good for the bedroom. If you want to do backflips, if you want to do jack grab, if you want to do anything you want, just drink a Magnum.
Here, Mr. Yeah. Mr. No walk one in a can shop. Yes, we need to take one water because we know much I taste and shall not drink.
Why it's so hot?
Everyday supermarket, one stop. Right at Attisville, across from the police station. Anything you want, it's here. Yeah. Oh, this is the necklace of the man. And the silver? Give him some silver. You want back water?
Yeah, because water till come to my power way back, you know. Still there yet?
Still there.
Still there.
Get one more of them water, yeah. And I get a call for you,
I got
man.
it old, don't get do chair yet.
Still I get a new chair.
My phone me want charge up.
Right.
People I saw him the last time I came here.
So what's
I'm
your-
the top
what's
two.
your- What's your- I need to work.
So I must say the chair is really 100.
What's your-
I might ask the local assistant to get a help to get a chair. Anybody can assist.
Where the policeman have come from? Banapro. Lucky strike man this. Water till you come to my power way back. Okay, I got my three doctor. Dr. Pitt, Dr. Gabriel, and Dr. Mugay. She and them right here, American too, down with her. Then I the big combined from Mambo family from my home. You can't get back to the people. Well, I
You never married to an American woman? She married you? You said my pa last blood. No, him get what?
Thank you.
Alright. Next time, please.
Don't think I know mascara and the place then. You talk to my
You know, as I go for our journey, we're head on back and we go straight to Belmopan now. We just have to get some food, but unfortunately, she not have my turkey neck. I'm like, can't take on no chicken. Because every day I eat chicken. You understand?
Yeah.
So we just stay now, jump back in the beast and speed on. Show them the police station. Show them the beach, show them already. And then you know we have the suppers already. I'm glad to see me a while ago now. I know that she see it too. Alright, I don't know it's a girl team. I'm going to pull up in a Belmopan. And the first place we stop, where you shall see a lot of art and craft, unique art stuff. It's a gallery. You're going to see everything about Belize and what the culture is about, and that's what I put on my vlog. It's about Belize, the good, the bad, the indifferent, everything. But we just decided to come to Belmopan and just go all about in a Belmopan and see what I'm going. So come in, my cameraman. We're going to the art place. We're going to check it out and see what I'm going, don't it?
Yup.
Yes.
What oops?
I say my catch it. Jamaica, this is one. People, we might catch it. So this is where we say thank you. As you can see, it's a very lovely, unique spot. It's full of a country like this. They use them authenticness and them skill to like make sure so them show out. Say yo, there's your hand can do things. You can use your hand to vision and craft of things. Even the rubbish bin is made out of wood and everything. Look at here. See, there's waterfalls there. Everybody see sky. Come look at the fish there. Let me go catch 2 fish. First me go catch 2 fish, man. Watch here.
Like a bigger one.
And they're big.
It's pretty.
Alright, so we enter another the art gallery, and we have made Miss Abigail, and she's going to give us a little insight and a look of what is going on. She found it very delighted. She said she's going to subscribe to my channel. So Abigail, show me what's going on in the place now, please.
Right here, our store is mostly about souvenirs, woodwork, we do woodwork, which are, we work on leather, like cedar wood. And so, some of our designs are made here. These are all licensed kits where you can get your name personalized. You have different names, and if you do need like I said, we also customize your own liking.
So if I can just say, okay, I need my name carved up in a this
Yes, and it
well,
takes like 10 to 15 minutes the most. If we're not busy, we do it real quick. Quick and
that
fast.
sound bad.
Yes.
Come back around, you look like in a big.
Yes, and then we also make these here too, which are our bookmarks. All these are made here. This is the plexi that I was telling you about.
Okay.
So these are made here too. All of these are made here, and art box. The stickers also are also made here. And these are some of our woodworks also here. We have different. These are pencil cases, and much more.
Well,
Here.
I'm not gonna lie, I like see the different cultural and the unique and the how me I put it now, how you can use it and to authentically make things to improve and to just show so we don't have to actually buy Chinese
Right,
things.
yes.
We can do our own thing, and that's why I want to give all my audience and my people outside the opportunity to see inside, because I don't know much about it. So I use this opportunity on my platform to showcase everything in Belize and the authenticness and what uno skill uno. If you just know so at the end of the day, you decide to okay, we can make slippers because art we do everything with it. See that
These are made here too.
me love one of them now, me the auntie them me love one of them.
Yes, those are tiger eye.
Yeah. They have one.
These are all the different stones that we have here, but not all of them are found here in Belize. But we do get them from other countries, and we make them here.
Okay, that's nice.
They don't like them.
Original stone that we have here from Belize is the red corals and the black corals.
Oh.
These are here from Belize.
Okay.
These are from Belize here. These are also made here. All of them are made here. All here in Aswax. And these are the freshwater corals.
So beautiful.
Also, these are made here too, which is the leather bracelets and different necklaces.
We don't need to make leather slippers. No, it's true because
Yes.
them look nice. We can art and craft them. We get nice slippers. We do have some in Jamaica, a brand called Bridges, and then other branches of that's like CC and something that is made from leather and your hand. So maybe somebody could just come up with an idea like that and create. That would be very trust, especially for the people and the tourism and stuff like that. They are gravitated to that, and then put the bellies on it and because vision and dream there,
That's right. These are made here too. Here in Belize also. These are magnets. Some of them are magnets, and some of are like keychains and other stuff. These are whistles, globes that are made here. We buy some of these stuff from locals. These are all made in Belize.
yeah, that's something that I
These
say.
are from
The
locals.
locals, them
Yes,
I love
ma'am.
to see when them create them own art and stuff like this. This is beautiful, and trust me, it's an honor and a pleasure for me to put it on my platform. All the art and the visual and everything that Belize and people them
So we have to big up Mr. Calvin and Mr. Raymond.
So big up Mr. Calvin and Mr. Raymond who are the craft and the work behind these works here. So Mr. Calvin, big up yourself.
Mr.
And
Raymond.
Mr. Raymond.
Yes, also these two are from different people also that make them. These are locals also, and some are from Guatemala also.
Okay.
So we purchase from Guatemala and we purchase from here. And now we have our cutting boards, pizza, and all these stuff here are made here in
Belize.
yes, right here in our box. These are made here in Belize. This is what we make here, and the cutting boards are also made here too. All the drawer boxes, key boxes, pencil cases, wine holders are all made here in the art box right here.
Oh,
We make-
inside
yes,
this
it-
art
yes, we have
box.
the factory, which is back that side, and all of these are done here.
So I'm not sure now all the cameras. I'm gonna see it lock up so. See? So this is how you put your jewelry box, the jewelry, and then
As a Belizean.
Then we have
Right.
these ones too also. Charles.
I think when I was in Antigua, I saw a lady that I was caregiving. She had one of these, and it was thick and nice. And she had pearls and jewelry, diamonds and stuff like that. And trust me, authentic. So when I saw this a while ago, I had a little flashback.
And they have different sizes too. So you have the smallest one here. So that is that one.
This are the one that can put earrings in.
Yes.
With the
Right.
small knobs earring. Yeah.
Right. So these are all made here. And then we have the magnets. We have more necklaces that are also made here. And we have our magnets, wood magnets, and also those ones that are over that side. We have the leather magnets, wood, and these ones that are over.
So what's up there, sir?
Oh, we have furnitures and paintings.
So what have to go down? We have to go up there.
Just a little reminder, they're renovating up that side, so.
Okay.
And then where are you gonna?
No, come over there, sir. You have one for things over there, so we can't run both
So
ways.
these two are also made here, which are picture frames. Picture frames.
We usually be a rasta, so we know what it's about.
These are made here also in art pots.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You can personalize doing engraving on wood, like I said. These are all done here. So you can put whatever you want. Maybe you want to take
Pictures.
something back and you would like to take a memory.
Never come I got Jamaica, so never bring back something from a family. Because
Yes,
trust
right.
me, when they got foreign, we call it, you know, where they got Belize,
Right.
Antigua, Bahamas, Barbados, we say foreign. So once you
Okay.
jump on the plane, Jamaica have it, you're gonna foreign.
Right.
You're gonna foreign, me say, I'm gonna foreign. So I'm gonna have to take
Right.
back some
Something as well.
something, some gift, some little, you know, reminder and give
Yes,
them.
ma'am.
We're searching my mother and girl when I did there. But you feel good, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
But come, cause you go suck, but we're not done yet. People, we're not done yet. That girl is not done yet. This is that one of the big man. I sir, I want where bill. I feel like you bill something. Where bill?
Me, I know they.
You know,
He's not the one that built the one
I
that
see them say with me that, so me I say, yeah.
No, guys to the back.
Okay.
The Fed department.
I'm just gonna say I'm a friend in this, you know. So the day there. I'm thinking of it, see it.
I know. I'm not that big, but enough for me.
These are made here too. The mirrors, the tables, all of these are made here with the guys in the back. The clown chairs too. Over on this side, the clown chairs, the blocks are made here in our box. These are made here, the mirrors. Over the
So this is
shelf.
a dinner table, should I say?
You could say it, yes, you could put it that way. So that is the paper tea on like
Lord Jesus.
That's a coffee table. You
People.
can put it at the edge of your sofa, your
Watch me as them and give them coffee table. Me can't bother. Because I thought
Yes,
this
just
was
put
a
it on the
table. And then this one, I never realized. Come cameraman, come on us, come on us, come on us. So these are all tables. But this a chair.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's-
because
yes, that's
I can show you. Come turn the camera for me.
relax. Enjoy yourself.
My husband, I have to go buy me a little chair. You have to.
Now you have the chess table also. This is also made here.
So this is the coffee table.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
write
You can put that right at the edge of the sofa.
on the bedside, right on the bedside.
Or your bedside.
Bedside table. And we can play the balloon. No glass. Pure then, yeah. Pure then, yeah.
Right over this side.
Yeah.
It's a better. So great. And
Get
then
a little bookshelf.
yes, the wood shelf also. The blocks too. The wood blocks are made here.
Come catch my babe. No, sir. Watch a pretty one now. Put it in some. I see them have asked. I want to my opinion, so you don't know sir Belize I come from. I do have to come back and I have to get some little stuff because when I go down, I tell you where I have to bring one back something. You don't understand. They make it serious down there. I have to come and make a
Our,
Belize design.
Our boss, he does the design for them and then they
And oh,
yes ma'am. So they do it, they make the design and they
I just say we have a cross too. The blood of Jesus in the name of Belize. The blood. Yeah.
so these are made here also too. Right here in the box. And the clays, these are from Guatemala.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. From outside. But we still, you know, we have the variety of stuff just for our customers to see different things. Now these are from locals. So these are mostly like Bibles, books that you can read, greeting cards, different type of cards, and also these signs that are made here also. Beautiful signs. Different ones.
Made out of woods. It's crafted. Maybe I have to pay for that if you do. Trouble.
So if you want to give a little thank you letter or something, reminder for a friend, we have this.
Okay.
And so these soaps are also made here from different people here in Belize. We have different companies that we buy from, or small little businesses that we buy from, and we help, you know, one another also. So these are the different types here. You can take a look at those. They have different ones. They have even for men.
So this is grass feed, beef, tango, shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, water, syrup.
Then you have the turmeric. The turmeric is good for all kinds of stuff, also for your skin,
Yeah.
and it's good to drink too, also from my understanding. So that's
Can't
the
get
base
better than
mask.
this.
They have the beeswax too.
Okay.
They have beeswax also.
And the body oil, Caribbean Grove body oil.
Yes.
So this
To make you glow.
you know, just
Yes. All right. Then these are the soap dishes.
okay.
Soap dishes from those kinds too. It's the concrete and the wood. And then if you travel like maybe with an itch, this is
Yeah.
good to put your itch. Like maybe like let's say when you get bite too much, this is very good. This after you get
For person with sensitive skin,
sensitive skin.
sensitive skin,
Something to Belize in.
itch and stuff like that, you get one of these. You can.
Yeah, to quit the itching. And from what we have heard, it has been really good because everyone have a good response back from their purchase, right? So, and these also, so these are body scrubs, different smell, really good smell. And if you would like their
They have
samples,
goat
you
milk
can smell
soap.
here.
I think I heard about this. It's handmade in Belize.
So like real goat milk, like what you said.
The other stuff.
It's like a soap bar. The sun and brook.
So cute, their fish.
A little break a while ago, so we're back. We're in the art box with Miss
Abigail.
Abigail. We know how we forgot her name because Abigail is a young name and them all type of name there. So we're here with Miss Abigail and she's just showing me some stuff, some unique art that is distributed in Belmopan and where you call what is the highway?
In George Price Highway.
George Price Highway, mile 46. You can come at the art box where you can get all the authentic arts them that is handmade by Belizean. You understand me? Everything that you can think about, from the hat to the authentic cross, the chain, the watch, everything from an in a Jamaica was say from a pin to an anchor. You want it, them have it.
Alright, so we have Mr. Baron Neil, who takes a lot of time and I think a lot of patience doing these. So you can pick up Mr. Baron Neil also, who does these here. This is his art, and he's a Belizean also. And he starts with this. That's about what he does with the butterfly. So I don't want you guys to be thinking that he kills the butterfly and and he put them up there. No, what he does is that when a butterfly maybe like die or stuff like that, he uses the wings. So if they die, maybe like sometimes they have like hot season where the butterflies would just die off.
Yeah.
And so this is his art. So he has a lot of patience doing this.
It look authentic and it look.
So all of this stuff, butterfly.
Butterfly. This is the butterfly section, so he takes a lot of time on this.
And even know some of them will make art in a Belize.
You can imagine my husband born and growing in Belize, and me come give me the butterfly them over here, so I real butterfly them.
Never been here.
Yes. And these are candle holders and other stuff. I think not really that much to say about this, but just picture frame holders.
Yeah.
That you can, so you would like to move on from here, or you can just
Come here.
and these are ornaments. The Christmas ornaments, like a lot of people shop these, especially for Christmas time. And these sell a lot because, you know, people are preparing for Christmas ahead of time.
So these are art
Ornaments.
ornaments.
Yes, ma'am. Christmas ornaments.
You can put them by your tree, by your door,
Right.
your key ring. You can put them. We're gonna go upstairs now where we have some wooden furniture that you like. You can get a little chair. Look at this with
Take a video from the study. Here's the artwork.
video this is with the artwork. See me, I tell you that everything in this is about art.
Right.
We have a shop more coffee table. Yeah. We can't see them now because I see what it is all about.
Yes, so there are
Look at the painting, catch the painting.
the chairs on the side also.
Beautiful. Look up there, so little.
All the artwork to the side. Decorations stuff. I believe, yes.
Turn around, baby. Spin 360 the camera. 360, yeah. Touch everything.
Just that little side there. So it will be more longer. These are
Okay, we want to go get rich. And then, they're going to go sit by. One of my friends have one of these in Jamaica. He has one of these, but wood, it makes with the Jamaica map. So you have the different countries on it. So I think this should have the good if them paint it and put
Right.
Belmopan, Ladyville, everything just spread over. Trust me, it should have look, because I love this. If me order it, me that one Belize. The whole country, Belize in it. I'm ready, we can show me that. I say, see right there, say you have carousel, you know, Belmopan,
right.
Tangriga, all of it, we just paint it on the wood. And trust me, it would be really pretty. Just the idea of the suggestion, that's when you would have suggest, when you would have like. You understand what?
Take a look at things there and explore and enjoy the view.
I like this.
Yes, that's so just like this one, but that's
Yeah.
a different
Yes.
design. Yes, ma'am.
I mean, just that I like the authenticness. It's a chill, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can sit down.
Sit down in the chair.
You catch me. And girly. Cute and girly.
They're very, very demure.
Very demure. And girly. Sure they yeah. But I like the whole scenery and everything. It's very unique.
Look at this scenery over on the side. The side is display. Well, it's not a display service, but just to keep
Never get rich. I mean, I feel like.
What is a stingray, no?
Yes, that's a scenery.
I'm gonna keep the same as in my living room. Like I wouldn't change nothing. I would eat around it just like this. It's very unique. It's different. And that's what I love about unique and different. It's just not the same, and it's authentic. Sometimes I don't know some people always trust me. Some rich people at Jamaica, I saw them all stay. Them have bread and just have this authenticness art. When you go there, you see them, you just feel. Because I'm not like the environment here is very peaceful. You understand? Because it's all about nature. So this way, you can just feel the coolness and look at this baby. This light.
One time, servo.
And you told me love my belly. You love my belly, bad.
These are also tables too. We sell these here. Just they're not covered, so just put them.
Put them on. Yeah, you can't put them on.
Yes.
Come on, that is stuff in it. This is authentic, very beautiful, natural. I love this thing. Trust me, this pen is nice. It's like over my bed. This is also a cup. Yeah, this art gallery, you're really in art gallery, trust me.
Right.
I love this. This is unique. You get how you watch.
Yes, I will not.
Look there. You can't get life better than this. Trust me. Look at this. This is the media talk about Central America, Caribbean. So me I tell you, this me that put on the wooden same way and put the different.
Oh, right. But this said it world map.
This said, yeah man, yeah, but me I tell you the map like this, but it would have been, you see that with Belize and map me that put Central America, Belize, everything about Belize.
Right.
Yeah. See there? Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominica Republic, Dominica and Dominican Republic, Guyana. See there? Okay. So I guess this is us going back down now
Yes.
because there will be some renovation. So there says Africa.
Art box.
Yes, so we are in the art box and we're having a scene of everything that's going on.
You guys can take a quick little pass right here just to see the
Okay.
the ducks and stuff that are here also.
So now we'll make a flax in the one. We get a plot.
Like the awards and so forth.
Okay. This is lovely. It's pretty and stuff like that. You can see. This is really wonderful, trust me. I will write as a good wife, make them make a plot and put it as a good wife. But this is very wonderful. My experience in this art gallery was wonderful and it was breathtaking. And just the whole scenery and everything, it gave me a peace. So you know this, what if you should are doing this type of furniture in your house, you actually get nature within its own self, and this is very good. You are very professional at what you do. You have good customer service, you know how to respond to persons, and your greetings is also delightful. It's an honor to bless your presence. And trust me, the artwork is phenomenal. Tell all the artists who have done their job, they did a wonderful job. I must say, I applaud them. Tell them Mrs. Nines from Jamaica. Tell them they are very creative, very wonderful, and phenomenal job. Well done. Keep on doing this work and keep on, trust me. We're going back downstairs. So, let's do a shot of so we're going to go to that part. choppers. Miss Marie,
Miss Patricia.
Miss Patricia.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
man.
This come we're from Punta Gorda. Okay. So from Punta Gorda. So still here in Belize or out
So,
in here.
can I open it?
Yes.
Oh.
You put your turkeys in there or something because it keeps it warm. Especially they mostly use it like for turkeys. Yes. And hammocks too also. Have
Spread them out, the hammocks. I can sleep on them. She made the dollies too?
No,
Bags?
these are from Guatemala. These ones here, the bags. These are from Guatemala.
Okay.
This one, we did it. And the thing, like I said, that sells a lot are the peppers, the hot sauce, which is here from Belize. It's Simple Shark. It's a company very known, and a lot of people purchase the hot sauce because nothing go nice, nothing go good without you need pepper on this side. I don't know if you like pepper, but I
yeah, no, I eat my
Yeah,
husband.
sauce.
This is the one that my husband normally puts.
Oh, nice.
That one.
That's not very. Oh, that's a mild one.
Yeah, that's the
Now
one.
we have this one, which is the hottest, which is the red hornet. That's
Huh?
the hottest one.
You know what I'm saying?
And also the jams that are made here too from locals,
Okay.
different, and Marisha that makes their jams too.
Okay, so we're gonna go back over that. How much in a coffee? How much in a coffee?
How much is it? It has different versions or different.
Because me they are foreign, me they are foreign. Me say a foreign no. Gonna foreign, me say me gonna foreign, eh? Gonna foreign. Look at the maps of Belize, maps of the world. The world map. Come catch Sky. Come catch Sky. People look on Sky, Sky from the teddy bear. Jesus. Yeah, man. Yeah.
This side name is Craft Kitchen.
So this side is Craft Kitchen Cafe, where I got the shakes, the shake, and this is the cashier, the servant. She's very wonderful, guys. It's a wonderful experience. The place is just so nature. Everything about this place just calm, spirit, and I enjoy my shakes. Trust me, you can't get it better than this. Bye, guys.
Bye.
So I am on my way now. That you push it, understand? So bye, Gabriella.
Thank you.
So we're leaving Abigail now. It was a very wonderful experience, and all the staff members of Art Box, big up on yourself.
Thank you.
Alright? So we're going to run on the bus, right?
Yeah.
Shape nice. Just a big red trees. Good day, it's a girl Timar. I don't know who I represent. So we had planned from yesterday that we will be going to Belmopan, remember I'm telling you. So we're on our journey. But this man in Sky decided to stroll with us. I wonder if Sky know nothing about Belmopan. Come on, but I know. Sky don't know about Belmopan. My husband don't know about Belmopan. What is going on? What is happening in the two Belizean?
Well, basically, no. Belmopan and the capital of Belize. That's it.
That's all. Sky, where you know?
822.
I don't know what you do.
So, okay, so there's a lot of parties down in Belmopan, right?
Yeah, this weekend.
Okay. So we are stroll go down there. As you know, see watch a truck, big truck in front of we. Yeah, hello. Up on the highway. See there?
Yeah,
With
eight
the
miles right now, going out.
Okay. We reach at 8 miles now. Blessings. So everybody. Yeah. So we're at 8 miles. We soon reach at Atterville. Okay. Where we're on the cinema again, babes? John Smith Road. Yeah. So now we are strolling go down. We're on 8 miles road now. So we are strolling the back of one big truck. Jesus, peace to there. So would there be another truck there and we are going down on the side for the school. Now look up update and we are going down. Please remember, like, share and subscribe. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. Share the love, spread the love. That is all we are about. So today, watch out the big truck overtake. Whoa, overtake another truck. I don't know what I'm going in a John shopping, but I'm not run the risk there. But take a look at time and drive because we don't want the ears so vloggers going to going on 8 miles and vehicle flip over and one. Yeah, we don't really want that, so we are playing safe. We are playing safe. Yeah, that truck did go fast from day one.
I'm not going to hear it because of this.
You want to drive up the window? You can't do it there. You must hear me now. Yeah. So we just stroll going to Belmopan. So we're going in a John shop. Me, Sky, and my husband. We are drive. So we just pull up the tank and I do road. You see me? So we're on the self, we're keeping a locked in because it's gonna be an adventurous day today. I would just want to have fun. That's Best husband, what's it all about?
It's your boy Wolf here. You know, we're just here heading to Penn, you know. Gonna shoot some videos. Gonna see what the people from Penn be saying, you know. It's just us cooling out. You see it?
Why my husband turned foreign up on blood clot me just now? So somebody could tell me say I'm born America, me married to. Oh my God, Lord. Gonna for him, me say me gonna for him. But I can't get through for me there. Yeah. No, that's not a foreign tune. That's a popcorn. That's a popcorn. Up in the club we go, yeah. It's always a vibe. So no, I will spend some time and see what Belmopan is about. Walk on the whole of Belmopan and then we're back in because I want to go to a basketball match later. I'm not sure our Skies, I make a roll up in the Thursdays.
What that?
Thursdays. Yeah, Thursdays.
Because the basketball,
Night club.
because the basketball, yeah, man, they rent the birds out.
Yeah.
The birds out, lot of them, yeah.
So later, then Skies are gonna roll out come husband I got Thursdays tonight, so here we go on. So you know we're gonna do the whole of the day and just have be fun. Yeah, all of we just gonna have be fun. So enjoy the ride. Let us have fun as I would say. Like, share, subscribe. Today is the day, one of the day. So we're just going to Belmopan, going to bus terminal, and we'll go room to the Chinese store. We'll run this name. But yeah, no time is of the essence. So we are running out back out of Belmopan and we are go home now because the day is hot. I did have a wonderful trip today. Stopping at Artbox and trust me, boy, Artbox just give me a peaceful experience. People must feel like my dad just drop asleep in there. In the night, so me not lie. In the feel like my day foreign for true. Yeah man, I feel like a foreign there. It's a different breeze, a different atmosphere. Everything just different and it's peaceful. Trust me, Jaja. Yeah man. So we experience a wonderful time, and you all are going to see it because they don't know. Now let's get the update, everything. So my husband I head back in, and Skies we just take a trip out and go see how down at them spot a place up. Belmopan, them say Belmopan big up, but we'll have to come on next day to go run on one park. Them say go round, so you see restaurant, and them say they see Caribbean tile. Caribbean tiles. See it? Watch them have some hot vehicle. Yeah. So we now I head one back home. Not really back home, but heading back to the city. Understand? Yeah. It was an experience, I can't complain, not lie. But me not lie, I feel like I live a Belmopan. Don't feel.
Don't worry.
My husband said Belmopan boring. Same like I would have got excitement them. Same thing. But me personally, I would like Belmopan. Not lie. I like it. But people we are head and back in now, so we're gonna see what I want. The big truck. You see the truck? The old truck. I will drive past them. I just want to say this. Living in Belize, the experience with my husband make it worth me living in Belize. I have never experienced a man with so much love and affection and warmness about him and family orientated, and that is the reason why it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be here and to do this vlog. No matter what nobody wants to say, and no matter what it may be, trust me, my husband is worth me being here in Belize. The life that we are experiencing as young married couple, trust me, it's worth it. Me and my husband were best friends. Like, we can talk over anything, and I'm not listen, I'm not cap my lifestyle just to come on the camera. He is a wonderful person. His mother do a good job. I'm telling you over and over, and I don't want to feel like and if me even want to brag, I'm supposed to brag because I've been in some really sticky situationship where never work out as on my plan. I've met man who lied to me 10 years. My son and father lied to me and be so disrespectful and ungrateful and act as if the whole world revolves around him and everything is just about him. So to be with a man who shows me love and appreciation and appreciate all that I have done and all that I have brought to the table, otherwise from just my body, you understand me? I bring the authenticness of a real woman, love, care, peace, joy. Whenever I'm there working, willing to come home, I'm ready to come home because he knows I am there waiting for him. I'm the pillow that he can just come home and be vulnerable to, because I believe that's my job for my husband to be vulnerable to me and for me. You understand me? We communicate properly. You understand me? People may see me because last night Energy asked him, when she talking I get tremble and feel like I want to cry. A ball, no cry, woman cry, man ball. And my explained to him, said, no, me and my wife have a good relationship. You understand me? We can communicate. We understand each other perfectly. Me and my husband are quarrel like that way. Listen to me, no, now, pretty up nothing for now. We have our disagreements. We're not 100%, oh, we're pretty perfect, no. But I can say this for sure. We're going to sit down and we're going to hold our reasoning and we're going to resolve the situation respectfully. I have never called out my husband for a name and my husband has never called me out for a name for say we have showdown, and you know what, people have to come be referee to us or it's set in a way where No, trust me, we have our disagreement. But respectfully, we dealt with it properly. We communicate so far so. We just take some time out. Him not really like when I zone him out, you know. Him not really too big, that's something there. Yeah, can be. There were times I listen not too much talking. You understand me? Carry on doing that, baby. That's something. Yeah. So, I'm like the fact that even if I get upset, he's not going to be upset. He's more calm. So that's why we is a perfect match because we're opposite attraction. I am aggressive, he is more gentle. So sometimes even when I'm upset, him just know what to do to calm down the spirit. You understand me? That's why I don't know how man would want a man like that with that characteristic who can just say something or touch you a certain type of way and you just find yourself not confused anymore, not upset, not want to cuss, none of that, but feel confident and comfortable in his arms because he's a 6 foot 2 inches, trust me. Rat lady boat. You understand me? And I love that about him. And as I said before, his mother is a very respectful woman. Very respectful. We love her for that. As she grew her 3 kids, them very respectful. Not like them carry bellies on them back. Because them represent respectfully. And that's all I just want. You understand? So we don't have to be disrespectful to each other. That don't make no sense to me. You understand me? And the morals and the standards and everything where him sister have him sister at 25, right? Yes, and she got school and she, registered nurse, top her class, no kids, only 2 puppies. Oh, Felicia, big up yourself. NR, big up yourself. You understand me? Wonderful experience being in-laws to them. Where are the sister and the teacher? Kira, big up yourself. Very, she named Kira. Mackenzie Nunes and Nunes Mackenzie. Mackenzie Nunes. If I tell me Mackenzie, I mean, no, so she married the Mackenzie. So the Mackenzie would have to be on the outside. Yeah. You understand me? I got Wayne, my big brother Wayne, because next thing I want to me to big them up. So, yes, Wayne is a soldier. I love, listen, you know, I'm telling you, I love about my husband and his family, Line Rich. Everybody come out with a job title. Teacher, nurse, NR say want to study for be doctor, and still I go back to school. Teacher, the mother teacher to son that a two teacher in the family. The mother and his sister are teacher. And I love that. His father they working at the water commission place. What name? BWS. In a Dangriga. So that's one good type of family for going on. Me are telling you, them no booty parrot, them no cussy, them no do media, them the people them just.
My grandmother got one name Pasha Street.
Him grandmother, Felicia Nunes, she won her street with her name on it. That's very good. You understand me? So it's an honor and a pleasure for me to be married to him and to be his wife, to carry his title, to carry his legacy. Big up my stepdaughter, Evan. Never get forgotten, you're always my baby. You understand me? And that's what me I portray to everybody, that we want a family structure. You understand me? We want to be a nuclear family. We want to be blended family. You understand me? It don't matter if me want to come from Jamaica, I want to be a Belize. It doesn't matter. Love is love. You understand me? And all different nations in a Belize. You have the Mayan, the Mestizo, Mennonites, Creole, Chinese, Garfna. All of them make up Belize. Jamaican, all of we are one. You understand me? So we just embrace it. And despite even if we not agree on everything, that doesn't really, like, we're supposed to be enemy or we're supposed to hate it. That don't make no sense to me. You understand me? All of we are all nation of one. So all we have to do is just learn to live together and accept each other. Simple. You get me? So me live here, so I'm learning and I'm willing to learn. I don't have a problem with learning. I'm willing to put down my bar and say, okay, let me see what it is all about. That's why I start this vlog. This vlog is to learn about Belize, is to go here, there, and everywhere and find out more about the culture, what it is all about. Because there is a big culture difference. We might want to say, yeah, but there is because we not speak Spanish and people not speak Spanish. You understand me? So you see what me try to show you, we're going to learn, man, and that's what the vlog is about. So we're going to learn and teach each other. Anything you want to feel like you want me to know, put it in the comment section. You understand me? Subscribe, like, share. Any music that is playing in my vlog, I have no copyrights to it. You understand me? And we have vibes, I want to spread the love. You get me? Which next places you that want to visit? Anyone who want me to come, just type it in the comment section. I'm going to pop up on your foot. Just tell me I'm ready. I like how you interact with me in the comment section. Go in the comment section and let me know which one I'm going to pull up. They tell me I come at Belmopan, next stop at Dangriga. Give me another location. Remember, I don't know the west side of the work off.
Video of this art craft place.
Alright, so we're in the art of Belmopan right now. It's a girl T-Mar. But then in the art of Belmopan, that's where the fire station is. 990 fire station. So go. So we are going to bus terminal now. We just have to stroll all over. We don't go too far much in Belmopan because we don't have sufficient time. And we have to run go back in the city. We know that's something that's already. We just want to see how the place take up. I come here about 2 or 3 times already, or more. It can be more. But I'm going to put it to over 3 times. Rasta man, big up yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. Alright, bye. We're entering a little. What's up, hello, everybody. What's up, man? Kids, and things about the look at that blower, it's in the actual everything. But darling, just a walk on and make people them get for your Joe. Alright, Joe. Alright. Let's see this. Nice meeting you. First,
I want to see the videos.
make sure to subscribe, you know.
I want to see the videos now.
Subscribe. Well, I mean, when everybody want their night video, but them just want me know, so them watch my channel and them respect my vlog. Them like my and everybody ever like it, but you know some people do like it. And as when the man let me know, if I watch me, isn't it? So I keep on putting out the good work. Because the taxi man them in a Belmopan. They wreck this. Freak, because sometimes no, they're cool in the street. Alright, so we can go over there? Yes, man. Yes, man, the street. Alright. I love the people, I love. Alright. Hello, good afternoon. So we're heading now back out of Belmopan. Just going to Belmopan, just make a little quick stop and run out back.